Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. The props continue. I've got the hat, all I need to do now is have some fake cupcakes. I'm going to show you how I make these. Whoa, good enough to eat. I wouldn't advise you to. Let me show you how I made these little beauties. But before I do that, let's get my Get Messy clothes on. There we go. Let's get messy, clothes, engaged. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so in my element because I just love like fake food. Well, I love real food more. Obviously, I've got such a sweet tooth. I absolutely love them. But there is a purpose behind the madness. I'm not just making them for the hell of it, although they're so much fun to make. They're going to be the props for a photography project, which I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So I've got the hat and now I need to make more cupcakes because I've got 2 of these little stands to fill up. So one is done and we need to make more. But I'm going to show you how I made these. Exciting. So simple and so much fun. Let's start. I'm going to make the bases of the cupcakes using these silicone molds. I bought them, oh my God, ages and ages and ages ago because I did a table decoration for my mum's birthday and everybody could take one of them at home and they were like photo holders. And what I used is, by the way, she had a massive sweet tooth and she loved sort of custard tarts but with fruit on top. So I made these with plaster of Paris, then topped them up with a little bit more plaster of Paris to make it look as if it was custard, and then put some fake fruit on top of it. They looked really cute. But this time I'm going to use the bases to make the cupcakes. I'm going to keep them flat. I know some people use the expandable foam, and I tried it and I wasn't too happy with the results. But it doesn't mean that I'm not going to use it moving forward. I probably will for other projects and I need to get the hang of it. But at the moment, I'm sticking with the plaster of Paris, which I love it. And they came out really, really well. So I'm really happy with them. But let's crack on. Let me show you what you need. Obviously, cupcake molds, plaster of Paris, water, a big container to mix it all up, acrylic paint. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to color the plaster of Paris. So once I put it in the mold and it dries, it's already colored. Boom! Don't have to do anything else. A little cup to mix the color with the water, some stirrers and little spoons and a big spoon. But let's get on with it. Let's start. I'm going to be using this to measure my plaster of Paris, and I'm going to do 2 cups of plaster of Paris and 1.5 cups of water. The less water you put in, the harder the plaster of Paris it gets. So let's take that into consideration because you don't want it too soft because otherwise it's going to break really easy. But let me show you. Gonna get very messy. Before I add more plaster of Paris, I'm gonna get the color ready. Ooh, let's do pink. And I put the remaining water. So I've already put a cup in there and I'm going to do half a cup. The amount of paint you want to add, it depends on what color you want to achieve. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to mix this up and then add it to the plaster of Paris, see what color comes up, and if I need more and I want it stronger, I'll add more color. But just bear in mind that once you add the color, the plaster of Paris just shrink a little bit, like it gets more solid. So you might want to add a little bit more water if you need to. If you see that it gets too thick, just add a little bit more water. I think this is okay. Looks like cough syrup. Let's mix it in. Let's mix it really, really well. I think I want the colour a little bit brighter, so I'm going to add a little bit more colour. Ooh. I'm quite happy, I think, with this consistency and the colour. What we're going to do, shake it a little bit to try to get the bubbles out. And that's it. We like 2 cups of plaster of Paris. I filled up 7 of these little molds. Obviously, you can use whatever you want and you just need to work out how many molds you can do. But it takes 20 minutes. It's gonna go quite warm, so just be careful when you handle them. Once they're dry, then we're gonna do the topping. But I've made more, so we can probably play with that, so then I can carry on with the video. I'm gonna be demolding these and just have a play and create more cupcakes. I'll see you in a minute. Here we go. I waited the full 20 minutes for the cupcakes to be fully dried, so I'm gonna be decorating some of these together with some of the ones that I made before I started the video. So let me get them out of the case. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is perfect. It hasn't even got bubbles. Oh my God, I'm so pleased. Look at this. Oh, very excited. Yeah, I'm not too sure how you can avoid the bubbles, but I don't think it really matters because the attention is going to go more on how we decorate the top bit, on all the piping. So I'm happy with that. Oh, now the pink ones. I'm worried that it's going to be too early. I did wait 20 minutes, but let's see. Usually, I think you can leave it a little bit longer, and if you do, it might be a little bit better. But let's, big reveal. Baby. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. I'm so happy. So happy the way it turned out. Oh, they're not too bad. Oh, this was a bit of a disaster. Not sure if I'm going to use that. And it's good. Look at this. Boom. I'm happy with them. So we can proceed with the next step. Let me clear some of this out. Right, okay. For the next steps, what you need is lightweight filler. I find this amazing. It's really, really good. That's what we'll be using. Piping bags. I've also got a silicone one. Nozzles. This is square, but I will be using... This is massive. This is really big, but I love it. I love that one. And then I've got these two that are a little bit smaller. I might use this one as well. So I get those two out, my 2 piping bags. And then what you need is some decorator caulk. I'm not happy with this one because it really smells and I don't like it. But you can get odorless. So, and I found out afterwards. So I'll stick with this for the time being. But you can do a search and just find the ones that are better. I've also bought, that is white, by the way, white caulk. I can't say properly, so just read here. And then you can find brown caulk. And what I've done, I've mixed it with water. And this is the consistency that I want, because this is going to be the sauce on top of our cupcakes. And then what I've done, the white one, I mixed it with pink. Check this out. Woohoo! I made some blue caulk as well. So much fun. This is going to be so much fun. But before I start anything, gloves. Oh, I'm like a surgeon. Let's start. And also what I've got as well is, I bought this, which are little chocolate made out of resin. So I'm going to be decorating, I'm going to be using them to decorate the cupcakes as well. Some of them are tiny. Oh, it's very tiny, very cute. And also I bought some sprinkle. It's very cool. It's fake sprinkle. And it's going to be perfect for the cupcakes. And then obviously some fake cherries. Oh, Oh, they're so cool. But I'm so excited and I just want to start. Let me show you. This is going to be so much fun. I've got so many to do. And I hope you're going to enjoy this. It's just so satisfying. So satisfying to do. Let's put the nozzles in the piping bags. Oh, the possibilities are endless. Also, by the way, the filler, you need to make sure that is the lightweight. Otherwise, everything collapses if it's too heavy. I've learned that. And I've experimented with other fillers, and that is brilliant. And not too bad. It's from Screwfix. It's £8.99 for the whole tub, and it's 1 litre. And I've made 14 cupcakes. 15 cupcakes with the trial run. So not too shabby, not too bad. But I'm obsessed with the stuff now. Possibilities are endless. Let's get sorted. Here we go. Let's get some filler into our piping bag. And here we go. We need to try to make sure that we get as little air bubbles as possible. So it needs to be really tight. I'm not sure if I'm doing it the right way, but this is how it worked for me. And we squish all of the filler down. Brilliant, it's coming out. We're gonna get, let's get the green cupcake. Gonna put this underneath and let's see if I can pipe. We go round and then we pinch the top bit of the layer below. And boom, our first cupcake is done. What I'm going to do, because obviously it's been a bit wonky. I am going to get some chocolate sauce, sprinkle it on top, and also I'm gonna put it there. Oh, this is a messy one. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's put some sprinkle on top. I'm going to put it inside here, so then I can take back all the sprinkle that is falling down. And let's put a cherry on top. Ta-da! Oh my God! I'm so happy. Next. Let's do a pink one. I can't believe I'm learning my piping skills using filler. Let's use the other pipe to finish off the cupcake. Brilliant. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish this off. Oh, look at that little cute little bit. Oh, I'm so happy. And, what are we going to do with this? Let's do some blue. Blue, 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 blue. Let's put some sprinkle. And he's got chocolate. Look at that. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. some chocolate on top. And the cherry. Hey, look at that. Dinky. Ah, so dinky. Oh, do you like it? That's a little bit wonky. Let's see if we can straighten it up. But before, gotta put some sprinkle on it. Et voila. Ta-da! I think I could spend hours and hours and hours decorating them. And as you can see, there's loads of possibilities of things that you can do and how you can create them. And I'm improving my piping skills, by the way. And if anybody asks me, so Connie, when did you learn your piping skills? Ah, well, it's with filler. I find that hilarious, but I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. Because as I said, these are going to be props that I will be using for a photography project, and there's loads more coming, and there's more build up before I get to the final stage. So just follow the progress and see what I'm going to be doing. Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.